what I'm up to. I got these new resin silicone molds. You can use them for other things, but they're silicone molds, seashell, hearts, and then I got these ones, super cool coasters. I got them on Etsy, so I might probably put some links in the bottom, show you where I got them from. And this is a fresh flower, and this is a dried flower, and I'm going to see which one's going to be better. Probably that one, but we'll see. They're for Mother's Day anyway, so that'll be cute little present I'm going to put on the website if they come out well. It's crunch time actually. I don't know if this is really going to be ready for Mother's Day or not. But, you know, we'll see what happens. I might send one to my mother.